Hey guys, Abbott back with Logitech, and today we'll be checking out the Logitech G935. So I have been running these pair of headphones, which are the Logitech G935s, for 2 years now. The battery has not got so good, so I got a new pair, and I thought I'd unbox it and review it for you guys. So here's the out of boxing Logitech G935, which are the headset. It has RGB on the backside and on the logo. It tells us all the specs. You can pause it if you would like to read it. And basically it. So let's get right into it. Hold the back tab, lift up, tabs out, lift again, and pull it right out. So here it is. Here are so here they are. They definitely, because mine have been used for a year and a half, these are definitely more sturdier. The cups feel a little bit more stronger, and other than that, they're identical because they haven't got new models yet. So, identical headset. What comes in it is instructions, a aux cable, so 3.5 to 3.5, and a micro USB cable. So that is USB-A to. So that is USB-A to micro B on this side. We also get a Logitech sticker. So opening up the headset on this side, you have the battery. You can switch this out. I don't know where you can buy new ones, but it's removable, so I'm sure you can switch it out. I just decided to buy a new one because mine is starting to creak and not exactly as comfortable as it used to be. Shut the clip down. Flip it over to the other side. And here you have the USB dongle. So this goes into the back of your computer. So the part that sucks about this headset is it does not connect to the Xbox by just putting this in USB port. You have to connect the 3.5mm headphone jack to your controller. Some new controllers have it, but if you have an older Xbox controller, they don't have the headphone jack. So you're kind of out of luck at that point. So here we have the on-off switch. When we turn it on, RGB comes up. We have the Logitech G mode, so G1, G2, G3, or G1, G2, G3, my bad. Then you have the mute button. I don't use this button, by the way. I'll show you how to mute instead of using this button. Here is your volume control. And then on this side, you just, to take out the microphone, you pop it out. And then it can come out and bend to whatever you want. So instead of reaching on my headset and hitting this mute button, I just fold it up and that mutes it. Like, you can feel a little tactile bump, and as soon as it's past that bump, it's muted. Nobody can hear you. So instead of reaching around, hitting the button, and then making sure this is out, it'd be annoying, just pull this up, and it's muted. So that works. So just to put this cover back on, pop it down, and then gotta move this first. There you go. So as you can see, these are identical headsets. These are the ones I've been having for 2 years, and these are the brand new ones. So obviously they have a little bit less scratches, but exactly the same design, nothing changed. So what do I think of the G935? Well, I find that they're good for gaming. They have a good microphone, as that microphone you saw. It has 7.1 surround sound, so you can basically tell what anything is. It is so cool the first time you ever have a surround sound headset. Just a feeling of, I know that there's sound coming from the back left of my ear. It is such a cool feeling. And also, I use them for video editing. I video edit most of the Logitech videos, and I've used these for 2 years, and I've had no complaints. I find that the battery life, when those were brand new, it lasted for at least 6 hours of gameplay. But now that they are older, they only last for 2 hours, which kind of sucked. So I basically always had them in with the micro B cable. Other than that, basically it. Thank you very much for checking out my review on the Logitech G935 headset.